Bicentennial Drone Show. When our founder, Stephen Van Rensselaer, established in 1824 what was then known as the Rensselaer School for the application of science to the common purposes of life, he set the stage for a future of innovation and first discoveries. Today, as we light up the sky over the city with 750 drones to tell our story, we are advancing the legacy of exploration and creativity he began nearly 2 centuries ago. When those first students walked into class in the old bank place at the north end of Troy, a few months later, they could not have guessed that they were beginning a journey that would reshape New York, the United States, and the planet, building canals, bridges, and connecting the transcontinental railroad that brought humanity closer together. When RPI's first senior professor, Amos Eaton, insisted that women were as capable of doing high-level mathematics and science as men, offering a specialized course to 8 young women and inspiring the founding of the Emma Willard School, he was far ahead of his time. What all these people shared, and what RPI has always aimed to cultivate, is creativity, curiosity, and a willingness to do the work of turning ideas into reality. Our accomplishments over the past 2 centuries inspire us to push the boundaries of what's possible as we continue to explore new horizons and shape the future through innovation and ingenuity. So next year, as the Artemis II mission slingshots around the moon, our alumni will once again help lead humanity's exploration of space. And right here on planet Earth, over 110,000 RPI graduates are making lasting contributions in fields like artificial intelligence, tissue engineering, sustainable construction, and nanotechnology, while also identifying fields of research that have yet to be defined. When the members of the Quantum Computing Club experiment with our IBM Quantum System 1, the first to be installed on a university campus, they know they're pioneering a new form of computing, but they're also imagining a cure for cancer, solutions for climate change, and a safer, more peaceful world. And when students from every state and countries around the globe arrive in Troy and set foot on our campus, they know that no idea is too out there and that any future that can be imagined can be created. Our neighbors in Troy and the capital region are our partners in that future, and together we'll harness the momentum we see everywhere we look, in technology, healthcare, industry, arts, and culture, to build an even better tomorrow. Now we invite you to look up at the sky and continue to dream with us.